Hello? Is this the shop that fixes broken mobile phones?
Good afternoon. Yes, I fix all kinds of phones here.
Thank goodness. My phone is having a very difficult day today.
I see. Please put the device here on the wooden counter.
Here it is. Please be very careful with it, sir.
Do not worry. I'm always very gentle with every phone.
It looks very bad, doesn't it? The screen is a mess.
Yes, the glass looks like a very large spider web. I can still see the time, but I cannot read messages. This is a common problem. Did you drop it on the floor?
I was walking very fast and it slipped from my hand.
Did it hit the hard sidewalk or something soft like grass?
It hit the sidewalk. It made a very loud breaking noise.
Modern screens are thin. They break easily on the hard ground. I felt very sad when I picked it up today.
I understand. People love their phones like they are small pets.
It's true. My whole life is inside this small box.
Let me look at the buttons and the charging port, too. Is there something wrong with the charging port as well?
The hole looks a bit dirty. Does the cable stay inside?
Not really. I have to use tape to keep it in.
Tape is a very bad idea for a smartphone, miss.
I know, but I really needed to charge it last night.
I will clean it, but the screen is the biggest problem.
Can you fix the screen today? I need it for work.
I need to check my stock. I might have the part.
Please check. I feel very lost without my maps and music.
Just a moment. I'm going to open the back now.
Wait, is my data safe? I have many photos of cats.
Your cat photos are safe. I'm only looking at hardware.
That is a relief. Those photos are very important to me.
I see a lot of dust inside. This is not good.
I carry it in my pocket every day. Is that bad?
Pockets are very dusty places for a clean phone to be.
Is the dust the reason why the battery is so weak?
No. Dust is bad for the sound, not for the battery.
The battery only lasts for 2 hours after a full charge.
That sounds like the battery is old and very tired.
Can you put a new battery in it for me?
I can, but I also found something strange near the speaker.
Something strange. Is it a piece of the broken glass?
No, there's some blue liquid inside the bottom part.
Blue liquid? Oh no, I think I know what that is.
It looks like a sports drink. Did you spill something?
I had a small accident with a bottle last month.
You must tell the truth about water damage, you know?
I thought I wiped it all off very quickly with paper.
The liquid goes inside the small holes very fast, miss.
Is the blue drink worse than normal bottled water?
Yes, it has sugar. Sugar becomes very sticky when it dries.
So my phone is not just broken, it is also sticky.
Exactly. The sugar is covering the small speaker right now.
Can you clean it with a small brush or a cloth?
I can try, but the damage is already inside the electronics.
This sounds like it will be very expensive to fix.
Well, we have to see. I have some more news.
Please tell me it is good news. I need some.
I do not have this specific screen in my shop today.
Oh no, this is my typical luck with technology.
I can order the part, but it takes 5 business days.
5 days? I cannot live without my phone for 5 days.
Some people find it very relaxing to be offline for a week.
Not me. I have many emails and many friends to answer.
I have 3 different options for you to think about.
I like options. What is the first option, Mr. Mechanic?
Option 1 is the standard repair with the 5-day wait.
And how much does that cost for the whole job?
It is $100 for the screen and the labor.
That is a fair price for a new phone life.
But you have to leave the phone here until next Friday.
What is the second option? Can we make it faster?
Yes, I can use express shipping for the new screen.
How fast is express shipping to this part of town?
The part will arrive tomorrow morning before 10 o'clock.
That sounds much better for my stress and my work.
But express shipping costs an extra $40, miss.
$140? That is a lot of money.
Time is money. You pay for the speed, not just parts.
I need to think. Is there a third choice?
Yes, I have a refurbished phone of the same model.
What does refurbished mean? I do not know that word.
It is a used phone that I fixed myself recently.
So it is like a new phone, but someone used it.
Exactly. It has a new battery and a perfect screen.
Can I just take that phone with me today?
Yes, you give me your broken phone and some money.
How much money would I need for this trade?
For this specific trade, it will be $80.
That is the cheapest and the fastest way, isn't it?
It is. It is the best deal in the shop today.
But it is not my phone, it is a stranger's phone.
It is the same model. It looks and feels identical.
My phone has a small scratch on the back I like.
You like the scratch? Most people hate any marks.
It makes it feel like mine. It has its own personality.
I can move your old back cover to the refurbished phone.
You can do that? Then it would have my scratch.
Yes, new inside, but your old outside. It is easy.
But what about my photos and my private messages?
I can move everything to the new phone in 1 hour.
Is the refurbished phone going to break in a week?
I give a 6-month warranty on all my fixed phones.
That is better than the warranty on my broken one.
I check every part. The battery health is 100%.
I don't know. I feel like I am leaving a friend.
Your friend is currently sticky and has a broken face.
You are very honest, sir. You are a very direct person.
I am a mechanic. I look at facts, not at feelings.
My feelings say I should keep my old friend.
I need a decision soon. My next customer is here.
Oh, I am sorry. I'm thinking as fast as possible.
The refurbished phone is $80. The repair is more.
But what if the camera is not as good?
I can show you the camera quality right now.
Go on then, show me how the new camera looks.
See? The colors are bright and the focus is sharp.
If I choose the repair, I have no phone for a week?
That is correct. I must keep it here in my safe.
If I choose the trade, I am ready in an hour?
Yes, you can go get a coffee and come back.
Why is this so difficult for a simple person like me?
Because you like your things, but things can be replaced.
I do not like change. I like my old habits.
This change is good. You save money and you save time.
Okay, I'm gonna do it. Let us trade.
Finally, that was a very long conversation for a phone.
Can I say a small goodbye to my old phone?
Please do not talk to the device. People are watching.
I'm just going to touch the screen one last time.
I will start the data transfer to the new one now.
Thank you. Please be very gentle with my memories.
I am a professional. Your memories are very safe with me.
How long did you say the transfer would take?
It takes about 45 minutes to move everything over.
What should I do in this small shop for 40 minutes?
There's a very nice cafe just across the street.
Oh, the cafe with the very good chocolate cake.
Yes, but please, keep your drink away from the phone.
I promise I'm never going to drink near technology again.
I have heard that many times before in this shop.
I'm serious this time. No more blue sports drinks.
Good. Water is much better for you and your phone.
You are like a doctor for phones and for people.
I just want your phone to live a long life.
I will be back in 1 hour for my new friend.
I will be here. The phone will be ready for you.
I feel a little bit better now. It was the right choice.
It was the only choice that made sense today, miss.
You are actually very helpful during this difficult time.
I try my best to help every customer who walks in.
I should go buy a very strong phone case now.
I have some very strong cases here on this shelf.
Do you have a case that can survive a big fall?
This black one is used by mountain climbers and builders.
That is perfect for a person like me who drops things.
It is $20. Do you want to add it?
Yes, please add it to the $80 for the trade.
That makes exactly $100 for everything today.
I am going to pay with my physical wallet now.
Good, because your digital wallet is inside that machine.
It feels strange not to have a phone in my pocket.
Maybe you can look at the real world for an hour.
The world is very bright and very green today.
It is a beautiful afternoon. Enjoy your walk to the cafe.
I can see a real bird in the tree over there.
See, nature is better than a screen, at least for now.
I'm joking. I know what a real tree looks like.
Go now. I have a lot of work to do here.
My number is currently in that small blue box, right?
Yes, but do not worry. I'm not going to call anyone.
I think I'm going to survive this hour without internet.
I think so too. Just stay away from the sticky drinks.
I'm going to drink my tea very carefully today.
Very smart. Let's finish the paperwork before you go.
Thank you for the receipt. I have it in my bag.
You're welcome. See you in 1 hour with your phone.
I am going to walk like a very slow turtle now.
Good. Turtles never drop their phones on the hard sidewalk.
That is true. They do not have pockets for phones.
Goodbye for now, miss. Enjoy your cake and your tea.
Goodbye. See you very soon for the big reveal.